Welcome back, my peeps. Hope you had a good weekend. It is Monday. Not only Monday, but it's May the 4th be with you. Well, I'm glad you liked that one, Michaela. Yeah, Bella, it was definitely an old corny dad joke. You didn't get it? Star Wars? Oh, gosh, come on. All right, so here we are with my 7th period class. If you haven't figured it out, you guys are great. I miss you guys. As usual, Acevedo, as usual, right? You need that special invitation to calm down. Just relax, my friend. Relax, Acevedo. Yeah, what, Bree Bird? You felt left out? Come on, settle down. Let's go. All right, so, anyways, I hope you enjoyed that beautiful weather we had over this weekend. It was absolutely gorgeous. What's that, Velasquez? Yep, I did get a tan. Yep, I worked on my tan. I got out there, enjoyed the weather. We actually, I was going to drive down to the beach today. Today's Sunday. I was going to drive down to the beach, and I realized it was just too far, so we ended up not going. My daughter had some finals and stuff to study for. But I'm going to do this for the question quiz. So 1 point for guessing what beach I was trying to go to, and actually 2 points if you actually guessed the correct beach that I tried to go to. All right. With that, as you can tell, easy observation. I'm not in my Monday work clothes. Why? So I'll let you answer that one too. I'll give you a 1 point for guessing why I'm not in my work clothes, and 3 if you guessed the right reason why I'm not in my dress clothes. All right? All right, have some fun with that. All right, before I get into today's lesson, remember to comment in Google Classroom in order to earn a chance to get a free pass on any of next week's lessons, not including anything to do with the project. If you have no idea what I'm talking about, go back and watch my second video from Thursday, my first video from Thursday. My first video from Thursday, go back and watch that. So, this week's winners are second period Tanya, third period Alexis, fifth period Deja, and 7th period Bella. All right, so when you see a lesson that you don't want to do, except for anything that has to do with the project, just direct message me, say, this is the one I want my free pass on, I'll throw in the grade, enjoy the day, or do your other work with whatever other teacher you need to do the work with, all right? So this week is more gas laws. Yes, Parker, it means more math. Yeah, it means more math. So real quickly then, you 4 winners, I'm going to give you this hint. Don't wait until Friday's lesson to choose, because normally the lessons get harder with the math, but Friday's lesson is very easy and there's no math. I already looked ahead. All right, so don't choose Friday. Choose one from the other days. All right. We're going to talk about 2 different gas laws. The first one is named after the guy who invented it. His name was Gay-Lussac. So it's Gay-Lussac's law. Acevedo, really? Come on, man. Come on. Let's go. Enough. Let's go. Let's roll it in here. All right. So anyways, it's similar to Charles' law, but with pressure and temperature. So I'm going to do this. We got, it's P1 over T1 equals P2 over T2. All right? So if you remember how I manipulated the formula for Charles' law, I'm going to let you answer that yourself. So how do we, if I want to solve for P1, what would the formula look like, right? Remember? Let me give you the first hint. We're going to do this. So you can change this to look like this. P1 T2 equals P2 T1. All right? So I'll give you that. All right? P1 times T2 equals P2 times T1. So we're dealing with pressure and temperature. All right? So if you want to solve for P1, what would that formula look like? So answer. So I'll give you, if you could answer and get 3 points, right? Get 3 points on this one. If you want to do that, all right, I'll give you 3 points, right? So what would this formula look like if you're looking for P1? What would it look like if you're looking for T2, P2, and T1? How would you rearrange those variables to get what you need? All right? So let's talk about the project. Some of you clearly don't know how to follow instructions. No, Camilla, for once, I'm not talking about you, believe it or not. All right, some of you guys, so I'm not referring to Camilla. Julia, off the phone, please. All right here, I need your attention. Oh, by the way, nice outfit. I love it. Smashing. How many of you guys just looked to where Julia sits in class to your relationship to where you are to see if she was in dress code or not? How many of you guys did, huh? All right, now look at Hind. Now Natalie. Now Alex. Now Stephanie. Who's that? William. All right. Anyways, okay. Let's get back to the project here. All right, so first, I was very clear several times. The Schoology, this project updates, all that stuff goes into Schoology. I'll take care of entering your grades into the Google Classroom and PowerSchool, but I want you to submit your assignments into Schoology, and that's for a couple reasons. All right. It's for a couple reasons. One, I got some teachers are observing in on this, right? And I told this to one of the students that when a teacher comes up with a good idea about a project, you don't want other teachers kind of stealing it, you know. So just put those updates over there. I don't want anybody stealing the school project, so put it there. Plus, I want to keep everything in one area. And the other thing I want to do is that when the project's done, I have the ability in Schoology to make a discussion across all my 4 classes. So I'm going to do that so my students from 2nd period can see 3rd period and 5th period and 7th period's assignment. Ring. Whoa, wait, that's a phone. Hold on a second. Hello. Ms. Lee? Hey. Diggs? Nah, Diggs ain't here. I thought he was with you. No, he said he was with you. Oh, that little rascal. All right. Well, yeah, we're gonna have to address this. All right. Okay. Well. Yep. No, I got you. All right. Thanks, Miss Lee. Bye. Whoo, that rascal. All right. So, let's get back to that project. Let me see right here. So what I've seen with the project, I know it's early on, but I've seen very little personification and absolutely pretty much zero persuasion, right? If you are a kidney stone, you want to talk like a kidney stone. Or kidney stone's a bad thing to have, so kind of have that little thug thing, right? Pretend you're the kidney stone and talk. Talk about yourself like a normal person would talk, like a thug would talk, or like some villain would talk, right? Do that. That's what I'm looking for. And then you need to persuade people who are hearing you that you are the worst thing out there and nobody wants to get a kidney stone because you're going to make life miserable for them for however you make it miserable for them, all right? So that's what you need. You need to take on the role, the persona of that disease or that body part, the brain, the heart, whatever you're doing, all right? So please do that. I don't want you to take a 0 on this, or not a 0, but I don't want you to do all this hard work and get a poor grade because of that, all right? Where else? Let's wrap this up here. Anyways, there'll be in progress due on Saturday morning. Again, this one I want to see if you're drawing something. I want to see your drawing in progress. If you're putting together Google Slides, that in progress. If you're writing it, whatever you're doing, I want to see it actually in progress that you're working on it, not waiting until the last minute. All right, so make sure you get that done. Let's see. I think I might have failed to mention a few students. My dad, how you doing? Get okay, huh? Yay! All right. Jeremy, William, you good? Jeremy, you get enough sleep? William, gaming skills are still improving? All right. William, I really want to know what games you're playing. All right. Rihanna, Mendoza, doing good? All right. So let me ask a few questions for you guys to earn some points. So if any of them are math questions, I need you to actually show me your work. All right. Submit a picture to get the point. If you do a math one, I'll give you 2. All right. If you do a math one that's correct, I'll give you 2. If it's wrong, I'll only give you 1. How about that? So the first one I'm going to ask you is, what is the oxidation number of boron? What is the oxidation number of boron? What is the oxidation number of the cation? And this, let me put it up here. Hold on, let me erase this. I'm going to give it to you like this. MO2S3. All right, 2 questions with this one. This says MO2S3. So what is the oxidation number of the cation? The oxidation number of the cation. And 2, what the heck? How would you name this? What would you name this? MO2S3. MO2S3. It's a lowercase O. You can see that, right? Yeah, there's no glare there. All right. What is the formula for ammonium nitrate? The formula for ammonium nitrate. The green sheet is posted if you don't have it at home with you. Draw the atomic diagram for K41. All right, the atomic model, right? That's what the dot, the circle, and the rings and the dots, right? Draw the atomic model for K41. And then, how many moles are in 100 grams of lithium-7? How many moles are in 100 grams of lithium-7? All right, and then for somebody who's clever, I'll give 3 points for this one. What would be the molar mass of H2O? All right, so what would the molar mass of H2O be? All right, what would the molar mass of H2O be? All right, so I want you to think about it. How would you figure out if I had 1 mole of this, right, or whatever? How would I figure out what the mass of H2O is? All right. So, anyways, I'll leave you with that, guys. Have a great day, and I'll talk to you later. Stay safe. Stay encouraged.